Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve a problem from leetcode, that is pre-order traversal. Okay. So let's quickly go through what's pre-order traversal means. So what's pre-order traversal? So it's like first we print the root followed by left subtree, that's followed by right subtree. Okay. So let's just quickly code this out. So if now let's check initial condition, that if his root is none. Okay, that's it is an empty tree. Okay, then we have to simply return an empty list. Okay, whereas if root is not none, then we have to return first is root dot value, that is root followed by self dot, let's copy this. Okay, pre-order traversal root dot left, then plus root dot right. Okay, simply root left subtree and right subtree. Okay, now let's try to run this problem. Okay, it worked for all the cases. So let's quickly solve using this problem. Okay, in case input is this. Okay, now if given input is, so what should be the output? The output will be initially root is 1. Okay, it's not none. Yes, it's not none. Root dot val, so 1 is appended over here. Now 1, this is plus. Okay, pre-order traversal root dot left is null. Okay, and in case of null we have to return an empty list. Okay, now followed by pre-order traversal root dot right was 2. Okay, as you can see here and here as well, so it's 2. Now when we came inside 2, now what we have as input, now new input becomes 2 comma 3. Okay, this is now new input, since our new input is 2 comma 3. Okay, so root becomes 2. Okay, not none. Yes, so we'll be adding here, that is 2. Okay, 2 plus left, that is left is none. Okay, now then we came to right part. Okay, what's there on the right of 2? Sorry, no, like left, we are at this 2. Okay, left of 2 is like here, left of 2 comes as 3. There's nothing on the right of 2. Okay, that is an empty. So finally output becomes 1 followed by 2 followed by 3. So this should be the output. Simple. Okay, sorry, I have to comment this out. Now since we have to solve this problem, we can, so I got one more method to solve this problem. That's also simple. So just Alt Shift. Yeah, so comment this out. This is the method 1. Okay, now we can solve this problem using another method as well. See, as what we have to return is list of integers. Okay, then let's create a class helper. Okay, now let's define a function inside it which will be taking two input. First will be root and next will be answer. This is a list which we will returning as output. Okay, now before that, let's call this function answer. We have defined as an empty list. Okay, now let's create an object of class helper. Object of class helper. Now with respect to this helper object, let's create call that function helper. Okay, object dot helper will be passing root and answer. Okay, obj. Okay, see, now in this helper function we have to return a list of pre-order traversal of this tree. Okay, now if root is none, what we will be returning? None. Else, now let's get else if in case root is not none, so answer dot append root dot value. Now after like what, after root was left subtree, then right subtree. Okay, let's call this self dot helper. We can name also left tree. Okay, root dot left comma answer arbitrary, and this should work. Why? Since we pass this answer as call by reference. Okay, so reference of answer is here. Whatever changes we will do in the answer in this class, that will be automatically reflected over here. That's what call by reference means. So let's try to run this problem. Okay, there's wrong answer, and let's look into it. In case root was this, output is coming as okay. We have not returned answers. The problem is that, yeah, it should work now. Okay, so we have solved this problem using two different methods. First is this: we can create a helper function which will be returning us as a list of answer, and we will simply return that answer. And second could be this iterative method. I guess this is more easy, but this one is more intuitive. So whichever you find good, you can go for that. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.